Hey there, WordPress enthusiasts! Welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to duplicate a page in WordPress quickly and easily. Whether you need a similar layout for a new page or want to keep a backup, duplicating pages can save you a lot of time. Let's dive right in. The easiest way to duplicate a page in WordPress is by using a plugin. Popular options include Duplicate Post or Yoast Duplicate Post. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for one of these plugins. Click Install Now and then Activate. We'll look at duplicating a page using both plugins. For Duplicate Page plugin, go to Pages in your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the page you want to duplicate and you'll see a duplicate this link or button. Click it and a new draft page will be created. For Yoast Duplicate Post, go to Pages, hover over the page you want to duplicate, and you'll see options like Clone or New Draft. Click Clone to create a duplicate page or New Draft to open a new draft of the page. Once duplicated, you can edit the new page as needed. Click on Edit to modify content, title, or other settings. After making your changes, click Publish to make the new page live. Using a plugin simplifies the process and provides additional features, such as customizable titles for duplicated pages. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can duplicate a page manually. Here's how. Go to Pages and select the page you want to duplicate. Click Edit and copy all the content from the page editor. Then create a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Paste the copied content into the editor. Update the title, adjust any settings or images as needed, and then click Publish. Your page is now duplicated. And that's it. Whether you choose to use a plugin or manually copy your page, duplicating pages in WordPress is a straightforward process that can save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Truehost Academy for more WordPress tips, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.